Hi everyone, it's Judy from Meaningful Homeschooling, and today I'm thinking about preschool. Over the years, we've used various preschool materials to teach our children, and this year is actually the first time that I have ever seen Sonlight Preschool curriculum, and I have been so impressed with it. I thought I'd share just a little bit about it with you today, give you a few close-up looks so you can see it for yourself. If you're homeschooling a preschooler, this might be for you. So the first part of the Sonlight homeschool curriculum is the instructor guide. And if you're familiar with Sonlight, you know their instructor guides are just phenomenal. And the preschool guide is no exception. It's every week is laid out on one page at a glance with every book, page number, and activity listed. You have no lesson planning to do, no prep, and everything that you need for teaching the lesson is right there in the instructor guide. The second part of the program is the student hands-on learning kit, and it has so many awesome things in it that will make teaching a 3 or 4-year-old so much easier. First, colored pencils with grips. This is wonderful for little ones whose fingers are still trying to get used to holding a pencil properly. This gives them a little bit of extra grip on the sides of the pencil. Safety knife for when your child will be practicing life skills like slicing a banana. This is perfectly safe for little ones to use. Safety scissors for little ones, blunt tip plastic scissors. A set of plastic tracing shapes. All kinds of shapes, and these are a sturdy plastic that you can clip to a clipboard so it doesn't move around, and your child will trace around the shape with the pencils while they're trying to learn their shapes. Hands-on learning, not just papers, not just writing, but hands-on learning. And there are so many other things in the learning kit as well, things like sandpaper, letters, and numbers, and other hands-on learning activities that your kids are sure to enjoy. And then my favorite part is the stack of ReadAlouds that comes with the Sonlight curriculum. This is only part of the books that come with the preschool curriculum. Every one of them a classic children's book that kids have loved for generations. Books that your kids will want to hear over and over again and that you won't hate reading to them. We all know how that goes, right? So if you're interested in learning more about the homeschool curriculum for preschool from Sonlight, you can click the link in the description below and check out the information that I'm sharing on the blog about it and find out more on their website. Thanks for watching and have a good day.